Toddler Buddies! Hello, Toddler Buddies! Today, we are on a magic forest egg hunt. Where could they be? Look! Behind the tree! A giant egg! It's shaking! It's making a noise!
Who is inside? Is the egg feeling angry? Show me your angry face.
It's a grumpy red face! Roar! Don't be grumpy. Let's take a deep breath together. Yay! The red face is a happy face now. Let's find the next egg. It must be near the water. Oh, look at that big blue egg. It's making a quiet sound. This egg sounds lonely. Is it feeling SAD? Show us your sad face. It's a blue crying face. Why are you so sad? Don't cry. We can be friends. A giant hug for the blue face. Feeling better? Great job, Toddler Buddies. We helped a friend feel happy. Wow! That egg is bouncy. Where did it come from? It's a silly egg. Catch it! I know what this egg needs. Let's have a giggle dance. Show us your wiggle dance. It's a happy giggling face. Get ready to dance. Party!
Wiggle, bounce, and jump. Everyone is happy now.
Wait! The biggest egg of all is opening. Look at the rainbow light.
The last surprise. We found all the feelings today.
It's a love heart. We can be friends forever. Toddler Buddies are friends for everyone. Thanks for playing the Emotion Eggs game with us. Bye-bye.
Toddler Buddies. Subscribe for more magic adventures.
Like, share, and subscribe to Toddler Buddies for new fun videos.